Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn extracting components on ReactJS. Don't be afraid to split components into smaller components. We'll see a big component if we may prepared. For that, we need to split into different smaller components. For that, there is a good scope in ReactJS. We'll show you a simple comment component that will considers the user like a text. It's in a string, and a date. It's from a date time timestamp like date time function defaultly as props like properties, and describes a comment on a social media websites and all what we have observed there, the who is giving an order and what he is giving in a comment, and when he is giving is in a date time typed and posted that particular component, like a comment, right? For that, there is a step-by-step approach we need to go here. First, I will show you how to like a function we will prepare to what are the div tags are required to take to control of these three things, like author, it's nothing but the user, and the text of the comment, and date when he has posted. Okay, I'll give you a simple example on it. We'll see here the simplify. There's no much more confusion and all. The simplify, I'll write as a function with the name of comments, comment, comment of props. I'm very little bit slow in typing. Return. For added advantage, for this, all you are aware of it, for the return. Here I am writing one div tag, class name. I'm defining as a class name. What we have given here, this is the class name. Comment and close. And here within the class we are showing for all the things the version of and the div tag. For the information, I am specifying it is as user info. Again, the class name I am defining as user info. Who is commenting the text and all the things, I will give you the name of his. For that purpose, I am giving this is an user info, and writing for end of the div tag over here. Okay, within that I want to show you one image first, the picture of the user who is entertaining and giving his picture for aviator. The name equal to AVATAR. Source, where is the source? It's like props dot author dot URL. I will define. See, simple step by steps what I have written here, you will better understand once if it is completed, and that completion of the code execution. The image tag is completed. Now again, the div tag I have to open for class 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 name equal to user info name, user info name, NAME, yeah, user info name, that user info name will comments that yes, props other dot name. This is only props dot other dot name, right? For that to second, this is here COMMENT, comment for small letters, text, yeah, and we have to this div tag over here. Within that we'll take props of props dot text, and one more div tag we have to take for that. 3 objects we have defined. Straight away I have copied and paste. Its name I am changing comment and date, yeah. For this we need to write one function, that is we'll write on a function for it. Yes, we'll modify this one, you can utilize it, no problem. Format date with passing of the date value string here, yeah, date dot to local of that function, right? See, format date I'm taking from straight away from here, format date, paste here, format date function, yep, and close the returns here, yeah. That function part, what we require of the design part, it's completed, I hope here. And coming to the next part, the elements what to be represent on data we have to define over here. And similarly, all you know that this is in a comment, yeah, comment, the name of the function what we have written here, comment, same thing, the comment. Okay, now I'm writing const elements here, const element that equal to, yeah, for the date I am writing for new date in the sense whenever it's implied that date only it will comes, and the text here I am writing for the text. I hope all you are enjoying ReactJS by watching this video. And other block we have defined some parameters over there, that is an name of the other we want to rep as separately, hello, and see how if I added more, you can add this type of code only. That aviator URL for it usage of to mentioning such there is an images http yeah, it's my site having PNG image is available over there. Okay, and the terminator, React element terminator, date scheme, text scheme with the parameters of name with the URL. And now the rendering, it's a browser rendering what its requirement. Component just now we have added here. Yeah, here date that equal to the component sorry, yeah, the component of comment dot date. Similarly, I'll take this one, paste text comment dot text and author comment dot author trace get element by ID of the root. That's it. Yeah, we should get an output. See here, a simple space or a simple line of code may impact on output. Keenly observe the simple things. You have to strictly see. I have here a simple thing, the components what I have displayed here. That is a aviator, Harisystems. Hello viewers, that is an text. For that is an I hope you enjoying the learning with the ReactJS, and the date time I have printed such a things simply. Okay, and you can change and modify such a things and different aspects and views. Like similarly, I would like to tell you on the one small thing, like these components for extracting these all, you can also split in different functions like aviator or user information or comment. I have written here in a same function comment. You can also split into these three functions as your wish, as your convenient, by passing different values and all the things. You can split it and merge it and combine over here and render the things on here what you have written. Nothing will be changed on render. The same thing output will be available over here. Okay, for in this such a similar scenario, the components might seems like work at first, but having pattern of the reusable of components pays you a more less stress on while developing big apps or big applications. A good rule of thumb in that part of your UI is used to several times, like buttons, panels, aviators on complex situations and complex applications. That's a very good ideology for reusability of the components. For strictly habituated to how to that extract much more components by writing a simple program. Wherever you require, you can simply extract it and use it the same functionality of the code by rendering that particular component. Okay, and in continuation of props are read only, I want to tell you the same, such a simple thing. Like we are writing in a function in Java like sum of a comma b, which returns that sum, we are telling that, hence written a plus b. The return value always such a functions that a plus b total value will comes. It's called pure because they not attempt to change their inputs and always returns the same results as the same input what we require. Okay, all React components must act like a pure functions with respect to their props. Of course, application UIs are dynamic and changes over a time on every intervals, may not. We'll introduce a new concept like state, the position. State allows React components to change their output over time in response to the user actions based on network responses and anything else without violating the rules and all. We'll see an upcoming session that state and life cycle of apps, applications and all about ReactJS. I hope you better understand this session. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.